Can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
This is something algebraic equation. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. So this you have already studied. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, what is algebraic equation? Any concept you remember from your 8th class?
Mm,
Okay, fine. So it's a mathematical equation. Okay. In this
yes,
equation, you are given something is known. Okay, and rest of the things like some variables are unknown to you.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So you need to find out that unknown value. Like if it is given x plus 5 is equal to 5. So something is given, addition. It is addition sum. So addition is given to you and answer is also given to you. What is asked to you over here is what is the value of x? Okay. So now you need to find the value of x. Okay. So what you can do over here? So there are some rules of this equation. Okay. So what are the rules of this equation? Like there are rules given for addition, then subtraction, multiplication. Okay. So you need to follow these rules. Okay. So I'll go to the screen again. I'm scrolling the screen. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see this. So this equation means what? You have given one mathematical equation, okay? And there is sign equal. The equal sign means what? Whatever is given on the left hand side has to be
Right.
tallied in the right hand side as well. So what is true on the left hand side is also true for the right hand side. Okay. So that means if you are adding something on the left hand side, it should be added on the right hand
Right.
side as well. Okay. If you are like subtracting from the left hand side, you have to do same thing on the
Right
right
hand
hand
side.
side. Okay, fine. Now simplest example, if x is equal to 5. Okay. If x is equal to 5, if I'm subtracting 5, okay, from both the sides, so what will happen?
So we have to subtract from
From
both
both
sides.
sides. Now x is equal to 5, so that means x minus 5 will be equal to,
Mm, both.
see, x is equal to 5 and I'm subtracting x minus 5 from both the sides, so x will be equal to how much? X minus 5 equal to 5 minus 5 is 0.
Mm,
Okay, so you got the equation.
yes.
Okay, so now simple example. Okay, x plus 7 equal to 15. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see this? X is equal to 7. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so what is done over here is that you have got this equation x plus 7 equal to 15. Now what you want to do, you want to find the value of this x. So how to find? There is one sign over here, that is addition.
Mm,
Okay, what you have to do is you want to like get rid of this 7, you want to subtract this 7. Okay, and only then you can get x. Fine. How you can get x? Because x is like added with 7 and then it is equal to 15. So what you have to do over here? X plus 7 is given, so you have to do minus, subtract 7
minus.
from this. Now what is our rule? When you are doing subtraction, then
So
similarly
we
you have
have
to
to.
do the right hand side as well. So x plus 7 is given, then you what you have to do? You have to subtract 7. So x plus 7 minus 7. Write down in notebook. X plus 7 is equal to 15. Okay, it's already given. Okay, x plus 7 is already given. Fine. So x plus 7 minus 7 will be equal to 15 minus 7. Okay, what you're doing over here is you're subtracting 7
Mm,
from both the sides. That is our first rule. Okay, then what you will get? You will get x. X will be equal to 15 minus 7. Now count it. How much is it?
mm,
How much is 15 minus 7?
7.
7. After 7, you have to count till 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is how much?
15. 8.
8. Okay, count on your fingers first.
Yes, ma'am.
You
8.
counted? Okay, so you got value